Yes, welcome. Today we're going to record voice over this music and see how it looks like. Let me play it and let's see. Sorry. The thing really recorded from the outskirts here. And it shouldn't be, so let me remove it and start the recording from here. Let me remove this track, remove this one as well. And let me see here. Now I can have a clean slate, so I'll start add a new track. All right, so I will be starting here and then record the voice. Yeah, welcome. Today we are testing our voice over the audio track. Thank you. It is here. So I can use this and bring this one here, and both tracks will be played. As you can see, the track is too high, more than this one. So what I will do is I will bring this volume down. And play it again, see how my voice also will still be. Yeah, welcome. Today we are testing our voice over the audio track. Yeah. So as it is now, so now if I want also, I can use the envelope to make this volume come down so that I can so let me bring this shift and bring it here. I can edit it. So I can click here and then move audio track up. So you see my audio track is up here and I can do any adjustment. So here I want to use the envelope and bring this one down. So this is the envelope 2 and I put it down here. It goes down. Alright, and then click here and take it up. I bring it more down and then click here, take it up. Yeah, so where I will put my audio voice in between here, and over this side my voice will be high while this one will be. So let me increase the volume of this one as well. Let me use the envelope of this one and also take this volume a little bit high. So now I can play. You see that this one will be high. When it gets to where I'm speaking, it will go down, and then so let me start playing and see how it will be like. Yeah, welcome. Today we are testing our voice over the audio track. Thank you. Yeah, so this is one way of adjusting both the audio track, music, and over my voice. So this is one. In my next video, I will learn about how to apply the effect like amplify all over these ones, right? So this is what we have for today. Bring in your comments, subscribe so that you will not miss the next video, and then in my next video we'll talk about something else. Thank you for listening and see you in the next video. Bye.